Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's Crypto Craig here, and I just wanted to make a quick video because there's a new company out in iGenius, and we have a full suite of financial education services for all three hot markets, from Forex to crypto to the stock market, and it's just exciting. But then on top of that, we have our highlighted product, which is CryptoElite. And so this is what everybody's going after. Everybody wants our AI trading bot. So we've partnered with a company called Endotech. Okay. And so they have some leading financial technology where the money stays in your own account. So I have it in my own Gemini account, for example, my crypto, and I link up this technology to trade on my behalf, which is crazy. In a 24/7 market, you can miss a lot of moves, or, Bitcoin never sleeps, as they say. So this trades in and out of Bitcoin and in and out of Ethereum to either gain you more dollars or gain you more Bitcoin, really whatever that you decide that you want to do. So normally this technology, guys, I mean, this is an institutional product, is reserved for the elites. And so what Brian has done in putting this together, that, the guy who owns iGenius, is he owns the licensing for Endotech. And so we're actually able to start, rather than pay Endotech, which is to go to them direct, $125,000 to get started, $1 million minimum investment, and then a profit share of 25%. Brian's got it to where you can start using this bot with just $1,000 in your account, which is amazing. That's the trading minimum here. So I love that we have this institutional strategy, but I needed to see some stuff. I see a lot of different bots and technologies, and most of which are junk. I knew about Endotech just through a buddy who had been using them for years, but Brian McMullen has been using this product for over 2.5 years, I believe. And so he's done really, really well. And whether it's gaining dollars or gaining Bitcoin, the products perform unbelievably well for him. I've been using it myself, and I'll show you that, but check this out. So this was important to me. So Gemini is the second largest exchange in the United States for crypto. So it's owned by the Winklevoss twins. We're literally, if you go to their website, you look on institutions, you can see some of their partners. So look at these names, guys. So we have Oppenheimer Bank, Rocket Dollar, State Street Bank. Like, these are massive institutions. Then you see Endotech, AI for FinTech. So I love that this is on their site and that they show it as their institutional trading software partner, because they're as close as you could get to the SEC. The Winklevoss twins literally coach the government on why they need to adopt cryptocurrency so that we don't become like some third world country here in the United States. So that was a big credibility piece for me that I needed to see. So how does it work, guys? We have 6 exclusive strategies that are with iGenius, most of which launched January 1st of 2018. And what I love is that they're very transparent. They show every trade they've ever made. They show the history of it. And so I'm going to go through that a little bit with you here. But check this out. So we have our alpha strategies, which are a little more aggressive, and the beta strategies, which are a little more conservative. And those are the ones we use in the United States because they involve margin trading to get a little bit more aggressive. So outside of the country, you can crush it. Inside the country, you can crush it, just not quite as aggressive as maybe some people would like to be. So the first couple strategies, trade in and out of Bitcoin or Ethereum to gain you more dollars, which I don't really care about because I know how much of that they're printing. I want more Bitcoin. And so that's what the third strategy does, trades in and out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollars to gain you more Bitcoin. So I love that. And I love having a piece of automation in my portfolio. So as you can see, guys, so this has a calculator where you can play with it to up until today. Let me see, what's today's date? We got February, March. All right, let's just go to then, right? So since January 1st of 2018, this particular strategy, which is the ETH Alpha strategy, has literally gained 3,500+%, which is insane. So on a $10,000 investment, that's like 367 grand. And so that is at a time when, as you can see here, the market hasn't been going straight up. It's been going down and then sideways and recently up. And so this has beaten the market. This is outperformed, and it's learning from past events in the market to better predict the future. So if you don't have automation working for you, you're kind of trading against automation. So you don't want to battle against the computers because they don't, sleep. They don't need to, eat. They don't need some of the basic human things that we all need. And so it's awesome to have this kind of technology on your side. Let's look at the other strategy. This one's inside the United States, where it trades to gain you more Bitcoin. And this is the more conservative strategy, right? So on a conservative strategy, let me just move the date up. So on a 2 Bitcoin investment, it's returned 4.8 Bitcoin in 3 years. And look at the appreciation of that asset, which is amazing. The bot has been performing while the the market was pretty much going sideways that entire time. So it's great. It was outperforming and gaining you more Bitcoin than you would have had. And that's what I love. So I love, especially in a down or sideways market, to have a piece of technology that can grow my account. And so Brian was able to put into just this one strategy, 25 Bitcoin, and pull out 35. Like, that's amazing, right? So the only thing we have to do is do a profit share with Endotech, where literally we control our own funds. So I have it in my own Gemini account, and we share with them 20% of the profits, which even then they invoice you for, because they can't withdraw it from your account, guys. So it's amazing. It's something I'm super excited about. And I just want to show you my experience here. And also, we have documents and PDFs and all that kind of stuff that show you every trade. Not every month is profitable. So we're very transparent. We don't guarantee any returns. Obviously the past is not indicative of the future as far as results go. But this is something you have to take a look at. This is the hottest product on the planet right now as far as acquiring crypto, and where you can control your own funds. And so I'm going to show you how it worked with mine. I got to scan my face real quick. So this is my own Gemini account. So I have the strategy where you can gain more Bitcoin. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to gain more Bitcoin. So I threw $10,000 into an account. I paid $1,000 to Endotech for the year to trade that account. And so it started trading with 9,000. And in 21 days, I'm at $11,391.62. So I'm up about 30%. But what's cool is that Bitcoin was going up, up, up. So it rode that way up. And then while I was sleeping about 5 days ago, Bitcoin took a turn, as it often does in this volatile market. And so I missed that as a trader because I was sleeping, but my bot caught it. It protected my profits and sold at about 56,000 plus, and is now waiting to make its next move. So the bot beat me. And so I'm a pretty good trader, but this thing beat me. And so I love, like I said, having that piece of automation in my portfolio. So what I would do is, guys, find out more about this technology. Get back with the person that shared this with you and find out how you can access this for way less than what we discussed for what it costs to go to Endotech directly. You don't have to pay $125,000 with a minimum investment of $1 million here to get started. You can start trading with just $1,000. So get started, get back with the person that shared this with you. Let them know that you either want some more information or you want to use this bot, and they'll get you squared away, and you can have this thing in your pocket working for you while you're sleeping. Thanks.